County in southwestern Indiana until 7:45 a.m. At 3:46 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen and another 1 inch is possible in some areas. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Local officials have reported water over the roads in many locations across the county that are still passable at this time. However, may soon not be passable if additional heavy rain falls. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Rockport, Dale, Grandview, Santa Claus, Eureka, Kissimmee, and Gentryville. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following county: Spencer, Indiana.